Understanding financial modeling for future perspectives. Worry no more, because we got it covered. But first, let me welcome you to our channel. Be part of our family by subscribing and clicking the bell icon to be notified every time we upload new videos. Now, back to what I was saying. In today's video, we will have a clear look at financial modeling as well as its importance in the future. So without any further ado, let's get onto it. A financial model is simply a tool that's worked out in spreadsheet software, for example, Microsoft Excel, to forecast a business financial performance into the future. The forecast is typically based on the company's historical performance and requires preparing an income statement, assumptions about the future, cash flow statement, balance sheet, and supporting timetables such as a 3-statement model. From there, more advanced kinds of models can be assembled too. Let's explore the top financial modeling skills in the market right now. Number 1. Accounting abilities. To fabricate a financial model, it's crucial to have a strong comprehension of accounting fundamentals. This incorporates ideas like coordinating with guidelines, gatherings, income acknowledgement, non-cash things like depreciation and amortization. You should have adequate accounting skills in order to peruse financial statements, how you should analyze them, and how you should fabricate them back up again. Number 2. Excel abilities. Solid Excel abilities are basic for financial modeling. You'll need to know all the principal console alternate routes to help save time and fabricate models as fast as could really be expected. You'll additionally need to know every one of the principal functions and formulas to perform calculations and financial analysis. Every business is unique and requires a series of expectations and calculations. Excel is the most adaptable and adjustable tool available for this situation. Number 3. Linking the 3 financial assertions. Another skill that is vital to connect the 3 financial explanations. This implies taking recorded financial explanations, balance sheet, pay proclamation, and income articulation and powerfully connecting them together in Excel. For instance, interfacing net gain on the income statement to held profit on the balance sheet. This can be perhaps the trickiest ability to dominate, yet similarly as with some other expertise, practicing can bring about promising results. Number 4. Forecasting abilities. Being acceptable at forecasting is certainly both a workmanship and a science. An expert can utilize regression to foresee future outcomes dependent on historical results. Don't let the science of regression give you false certainty, however, as it actually requires making significant assumptions about future questions. Moreover, qualitative factors, for example, the supervisory group and culture, must be considered. Number 5. Problem-tackling abilities. A decent financial expert can think intelligently and in an extremely coordinated way. When assembling a financial model, it's essential to follow an intelligent progression of data so different clients can undoubtedly get what you've done when they hop into your Excel record. Number 6. Attention to detail. This is a significant skill for financial modeling. Given the immense measure of data and the unpredictable idea of a complex model, if you don't have attention to detail, you're not liable to be extraordinary at financial modeling. Preparing yourself to focus on details is for the most part developing that habit if you don't have it. Number 7. Simplification of complex information. One of the signs that somebody with incredible financial modeling abilities is their capacity to distill a lot of complex data into a basic format. As Leonardo da Vinci said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Number 8. Design skills. One of the least discussed, yet generally the most important financial modeling skill is having an eye for design and feel. A decent financial model is not difficult to follow and good looking. It ought to have a beautiful chart and graph, clean formatting, and look professional. Number 9. Presentation skills. An extraordinary financial modeler can also make a viable PowerPoint presentation and pitch book to communicate the results of the model to managers, chiefs, or customers. Some of the benefits of utilizing a financial model are better understanding of the business. Developing a financial model requires a complicated comprehension of the business. The course of model creation powers the business to contemplate and list down the drivers which impact the various aspects of the business. The creation of financial models, hence, has a spillover effect that prompts a superior comprehension of the fundamental business. Helps decide on a funding strategy. When organizations develop financial models, they can understand clearly what their cash flow situation will be. The cash flow requirements that the organization would look at, just as the ability to borrow and make interest payments, can be effectively discovered. This assists the organization to choose an appropriate funding strategy. Helps reach the correct valuation. Financial modeling permits organizations to comprehend their actual worth. In the absence of models, the value of an organization is chosen by utilizing limited cash flow models. Financial models make it possible to discover the specific measure of cash flow that will accumulate to the firm at various points in time. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video interesting, provide us with your valuable feedback. Plus, you want to suggest a topic for the next video? Feel free to tell us. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to Thinking Lit.